Creating strong mediated agreements. Creating strong mediated agreements. Mediation aims to create a mutually acceptable agreement for all parties. A good agreement is clear, comprehensive, and enforceable. They prevent confusion, provide clarity, and make the agreement legally enforceable. This presentation outlines the key parts of a strong agreement, elements of a strong written agreement. A good written agreement should have these main elements. It must be in writing. There are no handshake agreements in mediation. It must clearly identify all parties, using the full legal names of all involved. It must show that all parties agree to the terms through mutual consent. It should have clear, to-the-point language, making sure to avoid ambiguity or legal jargon. It should also clearly outline what each party is obligated to do. Parts of an enforceable agreement. In order to enforce a mediated agreement, you must have the following. Signatures. All parties must sign the agreement. The date. You must include the date the agreement was signed. As additional security, you may also consult with an attorney. Even if you reach an agreement you are happy with, having an attorney review it to ensure that your rights are protected is a good idea. A well-drafted, signed agreement is a perfect ending to a good mediation that satisfies everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning how to create a strong mediated agreement. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people